going to take a look at this EDRONE Sirius Alpha. Now, this is one strange bird here, guys. Okay, this is one of those things. But we're going to test the video and just fly it around here. I'm just not sure about this thing, man. But this is the camera. You know, these kind of gimmicky things, usually they don't work out that well. Okay? Usually that's the case. Usually there's something crazy going on here. Anyway, you fold these down and it folds into this ball. And then you lift it up here and then set it up here and take it off and fly it. But you see how bottom heavy it is. So when you do the flips, I'm going to be pretty positive that it's going to dive to the ground or crash or something. But we're going to try it out. We're going to see what it does. Like I said, it's a gimmick, but I want to test the camera. And there's the camera. The orientation on it's going to be the green lights are going to be the front, and the blue lights are going to be in the back. So let's just set that down there. Let's just start the video. I won't put all the video in. I'll just put some of the video in. And I'm not going to clip it on the phone. I'll just lay the phone over here. Well, I don't see the calibration working, so screw it, right? Oh, okay. You just go down and out for the calibrate. It calibrates and then starts the motors. Okay, you can see the trim is all big time off. Okay, I got that out of there. Just a little bit more. Okay. Let's turn the rate up, which is this button right here. It's got 3 rates. Okay. Whoa. Let's see if how the flips go. I'm a little bit leery of these flips, so. Better than I expected, trust me. Better than I expected. And it flips in all directions too, so that's not too bad. Check the yaw speed out. Not too bad for what it is. I mean, it's a gimmicky thing, you know, one of them gimmicks. Okay, well, you see how that worked out, didn't you? No big deal. No big deal. It's a crash. Crashes happen all the time. If you're not crashing, you're not flying. Okay, well, let's try that again. Let's see if the video stayed running. Yeah, the video stayed running, so that was okay. Let's reset the gyro. Take it back off. Okay, you got to reset this trim every time you reset the gyro. Okay, it's not hard. It's just right here, up, forward, back, left, right, right here. It's no big deal. Easy stuff. Easy stuff. I think I might have went a little bit too far on it. Yeah, I mean, it flies okay. I mean, alright, the battery's getting low because I didn't charge it that much. I just threw it on there for a couple of minutes, so just so we can see what the video looks like. So I'll cut the video here, and at least we'll get to save that. That's the return to home button, by the way. We'll see if we can get it to do that again. Right here is the return to home. Here it's coming back. And you just tap on the stick to override that. So then there's the land button, which you know this thing's going to crash when it lands. It's going to fall over. That's an inevitability. Okay. But anyway, the land button is this one right here. So alright, that was just a little quickie flight. We'll see how the video looks. I'll put that in there. So, and then whenever the snow stops and the rain stops and the cold stops, I'll get outside down. I'll take this down to that basketball court. That's probably going to be a good spot to take it, because that's about as far as you want to fly something like this around. You don't want to, you know, you're not going to fly this across the river or nothing like that. So, alright guys, thanks for watching.